Hi friends, welcome to the channel. Let's start discussing about UNESCO World Heritage Sites. First one, Qutub Minar and its monuments. It is one of the most famous World Heritage Sites in India. Qutub Minar was built in 1193 AD by the first Muslim ruler of Delhi, Qutbuddin Aibak of the Mamluk dynasty, after the defeat of last Hindu kingdom. It was built by Aibak to honor the most famous Sufi saint Qutbuddin Bakhtiar. It is one of the several other buildings located within the Qutb complex, and it occupies the center stage mainly due to its height. It is located in New Delhi, and it is also famous for its brickwork surrounding in it. These monuments are collectively known as Qutb Minar complex and also represent the earliest known symbols for Islamic architecture in India. Arabic and Nagri is the different sections of Qutb Minar reveal the history of its construction, and later the restoration and repair works was carried by Feroza Tughlaq and Sikandar Lodi. It has been considered as UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1993. Next one. Mahabodhi Temple Complex at Bodh Gaya or Buddha Gaya. It is a Buddhist pilgrimage site in Gaya district of Bihar, famous for the Mahabodhi Temple. It was here under the Bodhi tree that Gautama Buddha attained enlightenment. It has been considered as a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 2002, and a lot of foreign countries including Japan and China have helped the Indian government in building facilities for the Buddhist pilgrims. The holy Bodhi tree is the site where Siddhartha gained enlightenment and became Gautama Buddha. The famous Mahabodhi temple was established in the region of Asoka the Great in approximately 250 before Common Era. It is one of the earliest Buddhist temples. It is one among the four important Buddhist sites that include Kushinagar, Lumbini and Saranath. Next one, Rani Ki Vav, located on the banks of Saraswati River, was initially built as a memorial to the king in the 11th century AD. It was recently declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2014, owing to its architectural marvel and splendor. It is well known for its stepped corridors, sculpture and stone carvings in the well. Most of the sculptures in the well are devoted to Lord Vishnu in the form of his 10 avatars, which signifies his return to the world. Apart from being a place for storage of water, this also have a spiritual meaning attested to it. It is designed as an inverted temple, and it is divided into 7 levels of wells, each having its own importance as per the religious and mythological work. It is an outstanding example of subterranean stepwell construction and represent a prime example of an architectural type of water resource and storage system which is widely distributed across the Indian subcontinent. Recently, RBI released the new 100 rupees note featured with Rani Ki Vav monuments. Next one, Fatehpur Sikri. It has been considered as a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1986. The name of the city itself denotes the victory of Akbar over Chittor and Ranthambore. Fatehpur Sikri constitutes of 4 main monuments: the Jama Masjid, the Buland Darwaza, which is the most significant door of Asia, made of specific wood imported from Australia, which would sink in water. Panch Mahal, which is also considered as the origin place of Navaratnas. All these Mughal buildings are notable Indian heritage sites. It is located in Uttar Pradesh, India. This is the minimal information about the UNESCO World Heritage Sites, and it is sufficient for RRB and SSC exams. I hope this video will be very useful for you. Kindly share this video with your friends. Thank you.